A special thanks to Sunjoy for sending me their charcoal grill. Now this is the 20-inch Kamado grill with a pizza stone, and guys, this is the perfect outdoor barbecue egg grill, and it also can be used as a smoker. Now this is my first time ever using a charcoal grill, guys, and let me tell you, I love everything about this. I love the firm handle that's there, that you can easily open it. This is super easy to clean, and guys, look at this. You know when you're grilling something and you want to put like half of the charcoal on one side so you can cook, and you can cook one thing and have the other one just in the heat. This has, you have two different pieces so you can take out. It also has a bottom damper, so that's the perfect way for you to get that perfect cooked meal. And guys, look at these wheels. I love it. You can easily move them around, and it was actually a windy day and this grill did not budge after I locked the wheels in place. It also has a top damper, and as I said, guys, you can easily adjust that to help the airflow onto the grill while you're cooking or smoking. Now I never knew the difference between a smoker and guys, the fact that this has a 2-in-1, this is such a good item for your summer barbecues. You know, it's almost that time. Now I started this and I didn't know that I put in too much charcoal in it, but yeah, it really was such an easy thing to do, you know.
Yeah.
Don't burn your fingers, please, mommy.
I'm gonna write a review on it.
Now guys, I'm so happy that I have the best neighbors, because it was my first time and they came over and they're like, Jordan, let me help you out, because this built-in thermometer displays the internal temperature of your grill so you can see it while grilling to get the perfect barbecue.
More Power Wheels from you.
Yeah.
Today for his birthday, my dad got him a fire truck.
Oh my,
Like a whole corral now.
oh my gosh, that's, I love to see them on their little thingy. The design of this lid creates the perfect convection style cooking, so you get even heat distributed around your food, and it's perfect for grilling, smoking, roasting, searing, or baking your food, because you can even make a pizza in this.
I'm comfortable.
The best part are the extra storage shelves that you have. You have storage shelves at the bottom, at the side, so you can place your utensils, the extra food that you'll be grilling on these shelves. And guys, when I tell you my food turned out so good, listen, your girl will now be grilling, because I love my Sunjoy's charcoal grill. Click the link down in the description to purchase your very own, guys, because this is a must for the summer.